Come test drive the 2020 Forester. The Subaru Forester is a sensible, practical, and affordable vehicle. It has an impressive, comfortable ride and handles well. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, navigation system, power liftgate, dual airbags, air conditioning, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, trip computer, CD player. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.